We understand that sometimes it can become unclear what exactly a data science and AI company does. So we thought we'd take it upon ourselves to describe exactly what we do day to day, internally, and with our clients. For those who don't know, Synapse Analytics is a data science company that works on leveraging data for businesses, organizations, and even governments. We offer two main branches when approaching a partner or client: the service model and the product model. Sounds confusing, but I promise you it's not at all. The service model is a use case approach, where a team of consultants and engineers approach the client to build a roadmap of scopes and ideas to deal with the client's pains. We start off by framing and analyzing the problem, cleansing the data, building our engines and algorithms, validating the results, and then finally launching our solutions to ingest the data live. We also have our products, namely Ask a Vision. And this is actually one of my favorites because it's super sci-fi and it extracts information from live CCTV cameras and reports the data in a super simple dashboard that can be accessed by anyone in the organization. There are 6 stages to any data science and AI project. Stage 1 is the collect stage, and this is where we take and extract information from all relevant data sources in the company. Stage 2 is the store, mobilize, and organize stage, where we essentially extract, transform, and load the data, also known as ETL for our fellow data science enthusiasts out there. And this means creating a pipeline where all the extracted data will start flowing in for any future enhancements or changes in the structure. Stage 3 is the prepare, explore, and transform stage. And this is really where the magic happens. Our team starts wrangling, cleansing, and sanitizing the data, which is also what we call pre-process the data. This is really where we spend around 70 to 80% of our time to ensure healthy data is coming into our engines and algorithms. Stage 4 is the business intelligence stage. And this is where we lay out all the metrics, analytics, and dashboards to view all the data that was collected. If you recall, this is what we might call the descriptive stage. Stage 5 is the machine and deep learning stage. Finally, getting into the rough business. This is where we start developing our algorithms and equations and where we start training and testing them to ensure the highest impact is achieved given any use case, which is also the predictive part of the process. Stage 6 is the final stage. We call it scaling and operationalization. The final stage is an ongoing one with our clients since we start scaling our models to include more features, more products, and more characteristics while branching out into different departments. This stage is key since it informs the business user what the next steps should be to achieve their desired target, which is also the prescriptive part of the process. We like to take a very broad approach to target as many industries as we can and take a top-down approach. This allows us to approach every vertical with an open mind and also allows us to learn as much as we can from the domain experts, which gives us a huge push when dealing with similar projects in the future and develops our overall competencies. This is a common misconception. People think that AI solutions and ERPs are the same thing, but they are totally not. Some ERPs offer AI modules, but they're usually inefficient in the following ways. They rely on univariate analyses, looking at only one component, such as past sales data, and using that information to perform linear regression models. This is not AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning rely on high dimensionality and qualitative data such as social media, reports, company hierarchies, and other data. They rely on the data that's fed without any regard for data cleansing, wrangling, and sanity, while also ignoring the data engineering component. So this is what we do at Synapse Analytics. If you'd like to learn more, please don't hesitate to contact us anytime and we'll be here to help.